can't get drunk.
Yeah,
bro.
peer pressure is a motherfucker.
Don't
do it, bro.
Jit feeling peer pressure.
No, I literally always be wanting to drink, but it's like lately I've been trying to. Hey y'all, it's your girl Ree. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and get this video to at least 100 likes. As you can see, I'm basically getting ready for my day, doing my skin routine. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe down below, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, watch it all the way to the end. Alright, you guys, so I am at Waffle House. You can see the sign behind me. I put my order in just now, so right now I'm just literally waiting. I usually wait in the car for like 10-15 minutes and then I go in and get my food. I'm gonna probably just eat right here because I have a 30-minute drive to get to my friend's house. And I already said I was gonna go over, so I'm like, I'm not really doing anything, so I'm gonna just take the drive. So I don't have a toll thing, right? So in Florida we have tolls. In Virginia I don't have a toll in my car because I don't take toll. Like in Florida it's like we have toll everywhere. The maps for me to get to my friend's house literally is going to take me, it could have took me like 23 minutes, right? So I didn't want to get charged from the toll thing, so I was like, no tolls on the maps. Why does this thing say 33 minutes, y'all? 34 minutes. Like what? That's ridiculous. I'm gonna get back with y'all while I'm eating. I might record. I'm probably just gonna sit in the parking lot, back in over there in a little hut or something, in the cut or something, and then eat real quick because I can't drive and eat. Not this sandwich. I got my food. I got my food, y'all. So I literally get the bacon, egg, and cheese melt. Show y'all. I literally get the bacon, egg, and cheese melt, y'all. It be so good. And I get grape jelly. You gotta get grape jelly, okay? It don't taste right without the grape jelly. So it's already cut in half, right? So you just gonna split it because you can't eat the whole thing like that, right? I don't open my jelly. I just squeeze it until it pops at the other side, okay? You just spread this on top of your sandwich like this. Get it on there real good, spread it evenly so you can get jelly in every single bite, right? You got the jelly on top, cheese and everything else. Like, best sandwich ever, y'all, I swear to God. You get your orange juice with light ice. Ooh. That orange juice gotta stay cold, so you gotta get that light ice in there. And then yeah, just go in, I know people probably looking at me while I vlog, but I don't care. Like nowadays vlogging is so normal, I don't even see why people still be staring at people or looking funny. Like it's such a normal thing now. Like everybody's literally YouTubers, so I don't get it. This right here be giving me the energy that I need for the day, for real. And that's how you demolish a breakfast sandwich, okay? Hello?
Ooh, try that buzzer thing.
Okay.
Yeah. It's on 3.
Why is it so dark? Oh. I got my Crocs on. So y'all, I started wearing my Crocs with socks because I don't see how y'all wear them without socks. These shits hurt. Like, Crocs really hurt.
Yo.
Guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of my front place. So cute. It's such a, we really gonna make it a man cave, you know? But so cute. Look at his appliances. No, that nigga keep it on him.
For a flight, one of the flights to get there though.
Marlon, you gotta introduce yourself.
Yo, so what's good? My name is Marlon. You know, I know me since high school. You feel me? From Broward, you know the vibe.
Broward County, period.
You know the vibe.
And why you out here?
I'm out here because I just got a job. I fix planes now and shit. You feel me? You know?
Right.
Like
Okay.
shit.
Yeah. So that's the little introduction. We about to watch. Wait, pause it real quick. We about to watch Raising Kanan, the final episode. This won't let me watch no episodes without him. So now this is our little show. Episode 6. They just dropped it. What's today? They got another one coming today. Or is this the?
I think that's it today.
This is it. It's uploaded
I know they
already.
backing, bro. Yeah.
No, I'm saying like I know last weekend they didn't drop one. I thought I at least had 2 episodes coming.
Right.
But
They
okay.
only put one out.
So we're gonna watch the episode 6 of Raising Kanan. And then
You finna go get drunk then, bitch?
okay, I got a meeting at 6 o'clock. I gotta go back.
Oh yeah? No,
I know. Like, why would I set myself up like that?
Fuck, bro, I did not know that.
So let's get drunk. So I got an offer to do makeup for bodybuilders, and their makeup, like their faces don't match their body. So like in the pamphlet that they emailed me, right, it's like I'm gonna be doing multiple faces and I have to move at a certain time pace and get the work done, whatever. That I feel like I can do, and I feel like it's gonna be a challenge for me. So it's something that I think I should sign off on the offer and do it. But I'm nervous because in the pamphlet it say I have to match their skin, and like they tan very heavily. So they're like, oh, they tan very heavily, so match their skin, no white faces. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, and then I'm gonna show y'all what they want me to not do. But I feel like what they're asking me not to do is what all of them look like anyways. So I'm just so confused. Like all of their faces are white and their body be my color. Like not even trying to be funny. So I'm trying to think, should I put my skin color foundation on their faces? And then I don't know, like I don't know if I should do it, but it's a challenge. I'm gonna just do it. I think
You gotta show me what they look like.
I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna show you.
Excuse me, Lou? Dale come. Career lighting? Crown told me to talk to you about getting paid. Hey, I'm talking to my sister, man.
Hey y'all, we're going to the mall. And I'm on FaceTime with mommy and my nephew.
No.
Mom,
I'm hiding.
she's crazy.
No,
Mom,
because I look crazy.
oh, you're hiding? She's hiding from y'all, okay. We're gonna go to the mall real quick because we ain't got nothing else to do. Why not? Marlon talking about do we want to walk? Who walking? No, to the mall. So the mall is literally, what is it?
It's
8
like-
minutes. It's an 8-minute drive.
No.
It's an 8-minute
MacArthur?
drive.
Bro,
I have
that
it right
shit
here.
is right there.
9-minute drive.
8-minute walk.
You want to walk?
No, look at drive 3 minutes.
You want to walk?
I don't care.
Let's walk.
I'm down.
Let's walk. Should I move my car though?
That's the only. I mean, do you gotta pay for parking in the in that garage?
So hopefully my baby's there when we get back.
Hopefully.
But I got another battery so my camera won't die on y'all. He literally lives downtown, so like it's a whole bunch of stuff down here. Like restaurants, nightclubs,
Liquor store, bar, everything I need.
bars, everything. Like literally, if he come downstairs, he don't have to worry about finding something to do. And I'm pretty sure the streets be lit on the weekends. I'll put my mask on because these people honestly, these people probably got coronavirus and they just walk around. Don't split the pole, please. So what are you looking for in the mall?
I need some shoes, bro.
But yeah, y'all, this is the walk. Please turn backwards. So, yeah, it's on my map.
Yeah, and then...
So we're 6 minutes away.
Right.
Are we making this right?
Yeah.
Oh. See y'all when we get in the mall. I'm probably gonna have to switch out my batteries anyways. So, yeah.
God is everywhere, even in the kiss. So why do you think I don't know when you're lying? Know when you're trying to hide how you feel from me. You hate it when it's there. You say you can't resist. So why do you keep your secrets alive? You need to let them die. Confess all your sins to me. My eyes are like a lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me. I don't know why you lie to me. I wish you would confide in me. I tried. My eyes are like a lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me.
What are you looking for?
Don't know why you lie to me.
Oh, these are so cute.
I think you need to let go of your pride. Eyes are like a
I could tell. Look at what he got on, y'all. It's 93 degrees outside, and this is what he chooses to wear. These are so cute. I know it's a little funny.
If you really love me, girl, then look into my eyes. Tell me all the things you told me that were really lies. You keep looking to the left and checking on your phone. What you think that says to me? You don't really care. My eyes are like a lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me.
Okay, you guys, so I just pulled up to the shop. Me and Marlon literally wasted just enough time for me to make it to the meeting. It's literally, the meeting starts at 6. It's literally 5:54. And I only see like 2 cars in front of our shop. So this meeting is probably going to be just about like, you know, how you can better your business. I'm the makeup artist in the shop. We have a wax lady. We have a girl who does lashes. We have a girl who does hair, like braids and stuff like that. I think this meeting is about to basically about us talking about how we want to be better, just how we can make the shop better, how we can make our individual businesses better, just overall just talking with each other. I'm pretty sure they're probably going to add a few things, but it's just like a shop meeting, probably nothing too serious. So yeah, I'll probably just record us in there talking, and so that you guys can see, you know, how the meeting goes or whatever. But yeah, I just made it and I'm really just chilling. I'm hungry, y'all. I'm getting hungry. So after this meeting, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat, man, because your girl is hungry. I think I want Wingstop. I do have pizza at the house from last night. Last night I had Papa John's with my friend. So I think I'm gonna just heat up some of that pizza, because that sounds really good. And I think I have some wings too. I can heat up my pizza and wings, chill at the house, eat that. Honestly, y'all, if you're new here and you made it this far, thank you. I love you so much. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget about me. Subscribe, man, because I don't know, I really want to be more intact with this YouTube stuff. So I'm dropping a video, right, of me failing to do this ponytail. Do y'all see how wavy my hair is? Usually, like, I get my ponytails really slicked back. Like, don't get me wrong, it's slicked back, but this is too wavy. Like, maybe the scrunchie isn't tight enough. Like, it needs to be tighter. I don't know. But this ponytail was supposed to be a cute natural look, and I hate it. So don't judge me. I really, really hate it. So if you haven't already, hopefully it will be up by now. Check out my last video of me doing this ponytail and what products I used doing this ponytail, okay? So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go inside. I'll see y'all when I get inside. So y'all, this is my little setup. I have my little nail stand, shelf, and then my makeup chair, and butterflies. This cute little painting.
I was about to say, I don't like bacon.
I like pepperoni, so I'm basic, so it's fine. Okay, you guys, we just finished the meeting at the shop and I'm headed home now. Today was a very eventful day. I'm on the phone with my mom. I'm always on the phone with you, lady. But yeah, I know I was telling y'all about this offer I got to do the bodybuilders makeup and stuff, and I talked about it in the meeting today with them just to see like what they, you know, what they thought about it. And I'm gonna type up like a little paper just to let them, you know, just to put a counter deal out there and see if they still want my services, because I just felt like what they were offering me wasn't enough. Like it wasn't worth it. I know my worth, so I was like, you know what, let me just take initiative to like see what they, and I knew there was a reason why I didn't sign off on the paperwork yet. Like something in my gut was telling me don't sign the agreement yet. And I'm glad I didn't. But I do want to tell you, mommy, about it because, girl, I'm gonna end my day and chill. I got duty in the morning. It is 7:27 at night. It's so bright out, but yeah, y'all, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a good day or a good night. If you watch this all the way through to the end, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe. And yeah, bye.